Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade one. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be discussing what is the difference between winter and summer, right? So, if we talk about winters and summers, both of them are like prolonged seasons in Pakistan. Why prolonged? Because spring remains for a very short time period, and similar is the case with autumn as well. But the winter and summer are prolonged. Now, we can call them as two main seasons in Pakistan, right? So, we will talk about the difference between the two. So, can you tell me that when does winter starts in Pakistan? Like in the end of October, then November, December, January, February, right? Then from March, spring starts, March, April, then from May, summer starts, May, June, July, August, and then from September or October, we have the autumn season, right? So, if we compare it with other seasons, we have like summer and winter for like 5 months, right? So that is why I'm calling them as the prolonged one, right? So we have already talked about what are different seasons and for how long they remain in Pakistan, what are the different characteristics associated with it. In today's class, we will be talking them in detail about the winter and summer. So let's start with this small activity to just boost our minds, and then we will talk about the differences. Okay. So in these pictures, there are four pictures which are basically talking or telling you about the four seasons. You are supposed to write their names, and the names have been written in an abrupt order. You are supposed to tell which season is it. If you look at the first picture, the trees have no leaves on it, and it's a bit sunny day. So which season it is? It's autumn. Wonderful. If we talk about the next one, well, the house is and the trees, everything is covered with snow, so it's winter season. Wonderful. Then we have in the third picture, we have the trees covered with leaves, the flowers blossoming. There is this refreshing picture, and this depicts spring. Wonderful. And at last, we have the hot sunny day, and somebody is sitting around maybe the seaside, so it's summer. Wonderful. Okay, so now let's watch an interesting video together, which is about the summer and winter. It will basically tells us about the characteristics of both the seasons, and then we will move forward and discuss their characteristics in detail. We will talk about the comparison. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Excellent.
The kinds of weather. Let's discuss winters. Winters are cold, but they're beautiful. It has snow, but the weather is really cold. It's hard to go outside. So we stay indoors and have fun. That's winters.
So see if when they were talking about winter, they have shown you what are the three characteristics by just looking at the video. We can say the first thing is that it's very cold. It's the snow falls in winter. The third thing is that people prefer to stay inside, right? People prefer to stay inside. Everything just looks like that they have wear a what a blanket of snow, right? Everything is just white. And then we have this dry weather. Winter is also dry. It is associated with dryness because if you have ever noticed, in the winters our skin is very dry. We keep on moisturizing it with any moisturizer or any lotion, right? So winters are usually dry. The If we talk about the weather, it is very cold, and the weather is also, it usually rains or snow falls, right? And then people prefer to stay inside rather than going out and having some activities, right? Okay, now let's talk about summer.
So we stay indoors and have fun. That's winters. Then we have summers. Summers are hot. sunny, shiny, and playful. We all go out, go for festivals, beaches, and parks because summers are hot. And
Okay, so now in comparison to winter, if we talk about summer, winters were cold, summers are hot. In winters, we have the snowfall, but in summer we have these hot, sunny days. The sun shines, the days are very bright, but in winters the days are dark. Then, if we talk about that, winters are dry and the summers are wet, or you can say that there is this a type of moisture in the air, right? And you feel a lot of sweating. Similarly, in winters, people do not prefer go out, but in summers, you do go out in the evening time to have, to in the refreshing air and with your family for cycling in the playgrounds. Similarly, people prefer to go in the parks and such areas in the evening time, right? Okay.
sunny.
So these were some of the major differences between the two seasons, right? Now I'm going to share the screen with you and let's look at some more characteristics of both the seasons. So let's first talk about the winter. So if we talk about the winter, winter is the coldest season of the year. It's coldest. Yes, we feel cold in autumn as well, but winter is the coldest. Cold winds blow, it snows in some places. Well, it does not snow everywhere. There are some areas in which it snows. The days are shorter. It gets dark very early. People wear warm woolen clothes. Now, if we talk about the type of clothes we wear, so in winter we wear warm woolen clothes. Everyone likes to have hot soups, um, teas, coffees, right? Children also drink hot chocolate, which is just yum. And people use heaters and light bonfires. It is a nice season to go camping, right? You can go outside, you can take a small cylinder with you, you can go over there, cook some delicious food, enjoy with your family. So it's very um good and nice season to go for camping. Then if it, because in summers it's too hot outside, so you cannot go for camping. Now if we talk about the summers, similarly, winters is also suitable for hiking, right? Then if we talk about summer, summer is the hottest season of the year. It comes after spring. It gets as I have told you that in March and April we have the spring, and then in May we have the summer. It comes after spring. It gets bright very early. The days are long and it gets dark late, right? So it is very hot during the day. The sun shines brightly in the sky because the days are sunny. People wear cotton clothes in summer, or you can say that people wear light clothes. People like to eat a lot of fruits and drink chilled juice. People also love to eat ice creams. Everything would just give them a cold feeling, right? So the girl says that my father know that that is why he always buys ice cream for me, and it keeps and we keep it in our fridge. See, this girl is basically talking about how she feels in summer. So she says that because she loves ice cream, so her father always keep an ice cream for her in fridge, and she don't feel hungry during summer because days are very long, and the days are usually, in summers you feel lethargic. You don't have that much energy which you feel in the winters. So she says that she don't feel a lot of appetite, and her mother scold her because she wastes a lot of food. And similarly, she don't want to eat anything, and she feel tired all the time. As I have told you, that in summers you don't want to come out of your bed. You feel like you are just, you're too tired. You want to lay down, you want to relax more and more. But in winters, as compared to the summer, it's a refreshing season. You can work easily. The days are short, but still you have much time to do a lot of work, right? Similarly, in summers, when if the power goes off, it's the worst scenario because you cannot just sit without the fans, right? So that is why a lot of people usually do not like summers. Well, winter is the favorite season for most of the people, right? But I also love winters. So now, what I want you is, before ending the class, I want you to talk about which is your favorite season in summers and winters. Write few lines about it on your notebook. Hurry up, take out your notebooks. Write your favorite season and then write few lines. As we have already discussed the characteristics of both the seasons in detail, so just take out notebooks and discuss them. Hurry up. Yes, are you done? Show it to me. Wonderful. Okay. Excellent. Okay, class. That was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.